The construction industry just got completely reimagined. Robots laying 200 bricks per hour, buildings lifted 17 feet without stopping, and walls built from 100% recycled plastic that click together like Lego. These aren't concepts. They're real, and they're changing everything. Section 1. Hadrian X, the robot that builds houses in 2 days. Hadrian X is a fully automated bricklaying robot developed by the Australian company FBR. It's designed to build walls faster, safer, and more accurately than human workers ever could. Mounted on a truck or crawler, the robot reads 3D building plans to place each block with surgical precision. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of traditional mortar, Hadrian X uses a special fast-curing adhesive that speeds up construction dramatically. With a laying rate of over 200 blocks per hour, it can build a standard house in just 1 to 2 days. Not weeks, days. The robot works even in windy conditions, thanks to advanced stabilization technology that keeps every block perfectly aligned. It helps reduce labor costs, improve safety by keeping workers away from repetitive strain injuries, and increase construction efficiency across the board. This isn't just ideal for residential homes. It's perfect for low-rise buildings and disaster recovery projects where speed matters most. When hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods destroy communities, Hadrian X can rebuild infrastructure before traditional crews even mobilize. Section 2. Failsafe ArrowLift, lifting entire buildings 17 feet high. Discover a whole new way to lift entire buildings with the ArrowLift by Failsafe House Lifting Systems. This innovative system uses 4 strong steel towers to raise structures safely and evenly, supporting up to 80 tons in total. Each tower is connected by beams, forming a stable foundation that allows workers to move freely underneath during the lift. A powerful dual-threaded actuator lifts buildings up to 17 feet without stopping or resetting. No manual adjustments, no pausing, just smooth, continuous elevation. The system eliminates the need for manual cribbing, which traditionally required workers to stack wooden blocks as the building rises, a time-consuming and dangerous process. Its modular design lets you add towers or beams to suit different project sizes, from small homes to large commercial structures. Compact and transportable, ArrowLift fits on flatbed trailers or even aircraft for easy relocation to remote sites. Powered by a hydraulic pump, it brings precision, speed, and safety to every lift. When floods threaten coastal homes or foundations need replacement, ArrowLift gets buildings out of harm's way faster than any traditional method. Section 3. QuickBlock, the Lego system for emergency shelters. QuickBlock is a modular building system made entirely from 100% recycled plastic. Each block is flat-packed and clicks together like large Lego pieces, requiring no tools or skilled labor whatsoever. Weighing just 1.2 kilograms per block, they're lightweight and easy to transport. 250 of them can fit on a single pallet. They're hollow, but strong enough to support up to 3.6 tons when properly assembled, and can be filled with sand or gravel for added structural strength and stability. Section 4. Tor Alva, the 98'3" D-printed cultural tower. Head to Switzerland to explore Tor Alva, a 98-foot-tall 3D printed tower located in the village of Moulins. It serves as a cultural venue for art, music, and theatre performances, with a spiral staircase leading to a performance chamber at the very top. Designed by Fundasian origin, the tower takes inspiration from the craftsmanship of Baroque builders in the Alpine region. But instead of traditional construction, it was built using robotic concrete extrusion, which reduces waste by applying material only where it's structurally needed. Developed with ETH Zurich, the process allows for intricate organic shapes without the need for traditional formwork or molds. The tower features 32 rebar-reinforced columns that are strong yet lightweight and hollow, reducing material use by over 60% compared to solid concrete construction. During the day, its textured concrete surface creates beautiful shadow patterns as sunlight moves across the structure. At night, internal lighting makes it glow like a lantern visible across the valley. Tor Alva is also designed for complete disassembly, making it a model of sustainable, reusable architecture. When its cultural mission ends, every component can be dismantled and either recycled or reassembled elsewhere. This represents the future of construction, buildings that adapt, move, and transform rather than becoming permanent scars on the landscape. Section 5. Tensar AX5-GN, the road reinforcement that triples pavement life. Discover a smarter way to build longer-lasting roads with the Tensar AX5-GN asphalt reinforcement interlayer. This advanced product combines a 3D polypropylene grid with a non-woven fabric to reinforce pavement, absorb stress, and block moisture penetration. When soaked with bitumen during installation, the fabric layer forms a protective waterproof membrane that helps stop cracks from forming or spreading through the asphalt layers above. The triaxial grid locks mechanically with asphalt aggregate to deliver full 360-degree crack control and boost resistance to rutting and fatigue cracking. Laboratory and field tests show that AX5-GN can triple the pavement's fatigue life under repeated traffic loading and weather stress. Installation is remarkably quick. Contractors just apply a tack coat of bitumen, unroll the grid material like carpet, and pave over it with standard equipment. No special training required, no construction delays. It's perfect for both new road construction and rehabilitation overlays on highways, airport runways, or widened traffic lanes. Best of all, the polypropylene grid is fully recyclable at end of life, making it a smart and sustainable choice for modern infrastructure. When cities invest millions in road construction, tripling the lifespan means fewer repairs, less traffic disruption, and better return on taxpayer investment. Section 6. ACO Storm Bricks, the Lego blocks for underground water storage. ACO. Storm Bricks is a modular stormwater management system designed for underground water storage and controlled drainage. It helps manage rainwater through detention, infiltration, and potential reuse, making it perfect for sustainable urban drainage projects. The system uses snap-lock modules that are easy to assemble and stack like construction blocks, reducing transport volume and storage needs by up to 75% compared to traditional concrete tanks. With a high void ratio of 95 to 97%, Storm Bricks maximizes water storage capacity while minimizing excavation depth and material use. That means less dirt to haul away, smaller construction footprints, and lower overall project costs. Storm Bricks comes in standard and heavy-duty versions, including the HD 900 rated for high load areas like parking lots and delivery zones. Its open cell design allows full 3D access for cleaning and inspection, something impossible with sealed concrete chambers. Made from recyclable polypropylene, it's a durable and eco-friendly solution that can last 50+ years underground. Storm Bricks installs quickly with small crews and adapts to various site layouts, offering a reliable, low-impact drainage system. As cities face more intense rainfall from climate change, underground storage prevents flooding while allowing water to slowly infiltrate into aquifers rather than overwhelming storm sewers. Section 7. Geoplast Elevetor Max, the crawl space system that holds 5 tons. Geoplast Elevetor Max is a modular formwork system designed to create ventilated crawl spaces and height-adjusted concrete slabs. It uses a snap-fit grid, adjustable PVC pipes, and a 71 by 71 centimeter top dome to form strong, permanent load-bearing structures. The system can support loads up to 5,000 kilograms per square meter, making it ideal for residential and commercial foundations. With pipe heights up to 3 meters, it allows space for ventilation, MIP access, and future inspections beneath the slab. Elevetor Max replaces traditional gravel or void formers, reducing material use and construction costs significantly. It can be installed on slopes up to 14% and becomes walkable once reinforcing mesh is placed on top. The setup is quick, stable, and easy to transport thanks to its lightweight stackable design. Workers can assemble the grid system in hours rather than days, speeding up the entire foundation process. This makes Elevetor Max a smart, eco-friendly solution for modern and efficient slab construction. The ventilated crawl space prevents moisture accumulation, reduces radon gas buildup, and provides easy access to plumbing and electrical systems for maintenance or future modifications. Section 8. Titan Fix 2 GT, the adhesive that bonds in 1 second. Get your bonding jobs done faster with Titan Professional Fix 2 GT mounting adhesive. This high-performance adhesive sets in just 1 second and can handle loads after only 30 minutes. It reaches full curing strength in about 3 hours, making it much quicker than traditional adhesives. With bonding power up to 400 kilograms per 10 square centimeters, it also reduces vibrations for a secure hold. FIX2-GT works on damp surfaces and resists UV rays, moisture, and chemicals, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's solvent-free, safe for sensitive materials like polystyrene insulation, and compatible with wood, brick, concrete, glass, metal, and more. The dual nozzle design allows precise application for small items or wide coverage for large panels. Once cured, the adhesive stays flexible, can be painted over, and works in extreme temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to +90 degrees Celsius. This makes it ideal for construction sites in any climate, from Arctic conditions to desert heat. Contractors use FIX2-GT to mount heavy bathroom fixtures, attach insulation panels, secure decorative elements, and bond structural components, all without waiting for traditional adhesives to cure overnight. Section 9. Dragon Reed DS24, the skid steer that levels concrete in one pass. Meet the DS24. Skid steer attachment by Dragon Screed, a powerful tool for fast and accurate concrete and gravel leveling. This heavy-duty screed connects to skid steers, loaders, or telehandlers and adjusts from 6 to 24 feet wide for different project sizes. As it moves forward or backward, it drags, floats, and vibrates the surface in one smooth motion. The machine handles the heavy lifting, allowing crews to use drier concrete mixes for better finish quality and reduced cracking. A remote control offers 5 vibration settings to match the desired smoothness. Its hydraulic pivot allows screeding on uneven ground or sloped surfaces with ease, something impossible with traditional manual screeds. Perfect for pours up to 22 feet wide, it lets small crews finish large areas quickly. The DS24 reduces labor requirements and combines multiple steps, dragging, leveling, and vibrating, into one efficient pass, saving both time and effort. Large warehouse floors, parking lots, and industrial facilities that once required teams of workers can now be leveled by 2 people and a machine in a fraction of the time. Section 10. Hemp building blocks, the carbon-negative construction material. Hemp building blocks, also known as hempcrete blocks, are made by mixing hemp herds with a natural lime binder. These blocks are lightweight and offer strong thermal insulation, making them great for walls, floors, and roofs. Interlocking types like Hemp Block LB300 require no mortar, allowing fast and easy assembly. They provide an R value of about 2 per inch, which means better energy savings in both hot and cold climates. The blocks naturally regulate moisture and help keep indoor air healthy and comfortable. They're also resistant to fire, pests, and mold, adding safety to your structure. Being carbon negative and biodegradable, they're perfect for eco-friendly homes. During growth, hemp plants absorb more CO2 than is released during processing and construction, making these blocks one of the few building materials that actually remove carbon from the atmosphere. Which of these construction techniques impressed you the most? Is it the robot that builds houses in 2 days? The system that lifts entire buildings? Or the Lego-like blocks made from recycled plastic? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on the technologies reshaping our world, hit that subscribe button.